In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Printify with your Wix website. Whether you're looking to boost your e-commerce capabilities or simply want to offer customized products to your audience, connecting Printify to your Wix site is a great way to get started. Let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Wix editor. As you look at the left side of your screen, you'll notice several options to enhance and customize your website. One of these options is labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can find a variety of apps and tools that can enhance your site's functionality and user experience. Once you click Add Apps, you'll gain access to the Wix App Market. It's a space where you can explore numerous applications designed to complement your site. In the search bar at the top, type in Printify. This search will bring up the Printify app, which we're going to add to your site. Click Add to Site to begin the installation process. This will help integrate the Printify interface directly with your site, making the management and sale of print-on-demand products much easier. Next, a window will appear asking you to agree to some permissions. It's essential to understand that these permissions are necessary for seamless operation between Wix and Printify. So click Agree and Add. After this, you may be prompted to log in to a Printify account. If you're already a user, enter your existing credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for an account. Having a Printify account is crucial because it'll be your hub for managing and ordering your product designs. Now, once you've gained access to your Printify account, navigate to My Stores within the Printify dashboard. Here, you will be able to see and manage all the stores connected to your account. To connect a new store, simply select Add New Store. You'll then see an option to connect this new store to Wix. Click Connect next to that. You'll be presented with a list of your existing Wix sites. Choose the site you'd like to connect to Printify from this list. Once you've made your choice, click Allow and Install. This action will solidify the connection between your Wix site and Printify, granting all necessary permissions for the two to communicate effectively. Finally, within the Printify drop-down menu, select the store you want to link. With these steps completed, your Wix website is now successfully integrated with Printify. You're all set to start creating, customizing, and selling print-on-demand products directly from your site. Be sure to explore the array of offerings Printify has, which can elevate your product line and potentially increase your sales. That's it for today's guide on integrating Printify with Wix. I hope you found it helpful, and you can now venture into the exciting world of print-on-demand with more confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Have a great day.